Hi, it's Adam. Thanks for joining me again in this series on real estate investing explained. And today's episode, actually, I'm going to respond to an inquiry that I received based on the last episode when I was talking about the security that was offered in a particular project being debt. So to clarify what that means, that basically there are two options, very simply stated, for what you can invest in when you invest in a real estate deal online. And these options are going to be very much determined by whatever it is that the sponsor wants to offer, right? Where they have a gap in their finance, that's what they're going to be offering you. So the two basic types of investment that you can make are going to be debt and equity. Now, debt is typically going to be secured by the property itself. And like a bank, when you lend money to a project that is secured by debt, you're only going to be getting an interest rate for that investment and no share of the profits. Now, why would you do that, right? Well, the reason that you might do that is because it is secured, typically, by the property itself, which means that it's a less risky proposition. If you invest in the equity, then whoever owns the debt will always retain the right to foreclose on the equity and basically wipe you out if things go wrong. If you're in the debt position, you retain that right to foreclose on the people that are in the equity positions. In other words, it's a balance of power. When you have the power to foreclose, you have lower risk, and therefore, in all likelihood, you're going to have to expect to receive less return on the investment, right? So lower return, lower risk. Now, to be absolutely clear, to make sure that these terms are very clearly understood before you invest, you have to go into the offering documents and to read exactly how these different positions in the what's called capital stack are structured, all right? But in principle, debt earns interest and equity has a preferred return, which is also interest, but also shares in the profits of the deal. So let's have a quick look at this deal here on the Small Change website. This is the Rosewood deal, and this is a full cycle deal, right? This is a project that was launched on the Small Change website. The business plan was executed and then it was sold. So you'll see here again that the security type is debt and that the return being offered to investors is 10%. Now, interestingly, in this particular project, the sponsor is saying, look, we will pay you this 10% when we sell the property, right? So without diving into it in any greater detail, I'm assuming that this particular property probably didn't have ongoing income, right? It wasn't an income property. So what the sponsor was saying was that invest with us, and when we sell, we will then give you your 10% return. And in fact, it looks like in July 2018, the project was sold out and investors received their 10% return annualized at the end of the project, right? When the project was sold. That's it, the difference between debt and equity. For more information and to download a list of every crowdfund real estate website where sponsors syndicate their deals, go to leadersofthecrowd.com/small change, and I will see you in the next episode. Bye for now.